In my darkest trouble, in my coldest silence, I looked for you and you were there. You may not realize it, but you have helped and saved me in so many ways.
I am honored that you will have me as your wife, and I am proud to have you as my husband.
In a while, in a word, every moment now returns. For a while, seen or heard, how each memory softly burns, facing you who brings me new tomorrows. I thank God for yesterdays, how they led me to this very hour, how they led me to this place. Every touch, every smile you have given me in care. Keep in heart, always I'll now be treasuring everywhere. And if life should come to just one question, do I hold each moment true? No trace of sadness, always with gladness I do.
Meeting with Vivian, I feel excited and thrilled.
Finally, the day has come. Sana everybody will be happy. Lahat ng mga guests will be happy as well.
Now a song that speaks of now and ever beckons me to someone new, unexpected, unexplored, unseen, filled with promise coming through. In a while, in a word, you and I forever change. Love so clear, never blurred, has me feeling wondrous strange. And if life should come to just one question, do I face each moment true? No trace of sadness, always with gladness I do. With sadness, always with gladness.